In this video, I want to show you how to make $100, $200 answering simple questions. Then I will ask you, who is Kim Kardashian, for example? You will say, Kim Kardashian is a beautiful lady that has a lot of cash, she's a billionaire, she's from the United States and all. She has kids, she's married, she's dating Kanye West and all, whatever. Then I'll pay you $100 for answering that question. How does it feel like? Let's say you answer 10 questions per hour. That's not $1,000 per day. Let's say you want to answer 100 questions in a day. You're determined, you want to answer as many questions as you can. Is that not $10,000? In a year, in a month is 300,000. In a year is $360,000 every single year just by answering questions. Bro, wake up. There are many ways to make this cash online. It's just that you're sleeping, bro. You're sleeping. Wake up. Wake up. 16-year-olds are buying villas, are buying Ferraris, are buying Lamborghinis. You're here fooling yourself, chasing the beaches. Sorry for the term, but I have to be harsh with you. How do you wake up? What's wrong with you, bro? It's 2024. And you're still broke? You're a failure to humanity. If you're still broke, either you're lazy or you're ignorant. So, bro, let's get into the video. So, the way you, it's not what you think, though. It's not what you think. Not answer questions on Quora. No, 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 no. This is a different strategy, bro. It's not answer questions on Quora. When you wait for to get views, or you monetize it. No, no, no. These people, they will pay you immediately. They will pay you immediately. They see your answer. So the name of the app is called schoolserver.com. So for example, this app, let's start with this. Let's start with this store. They'll pay you $200 for this question, but let me just show you the basic. You can get $10. For example, this, what is, you click on this, you see this, what is mortality? Yeah, you, this question, let's say you don't know it. Who are we going to meet? Guess who are we going to meet? Guess the people we're going to meet. If you don't know something. But in 2024, who do we use the most? What do we use? What tool do we use? Who can guess it? I'll give him $100. I'll give you 10 seconds. Yeah. Chat GPT. Chat GPT. Yeah. You go on Chat GPT. So the first step, you copy this answer. Sorry, question. You copy this question. You go to Chat GPT. You message Chat GPT. You paste it. Can you beat that, bro? Can you beat that? Mortality refers to the state of being. This is the answer it's giving you. Once you know, you can know, if you know ChatGPT and you have the hunger to make money online, bro, you'll be stinkingly rich. You'll be so rich that you don't know how to spend your money, bro. Don't know what to use your money to do. I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you. Trust me. Trust what I say. They call me TMM, not for a reason, not for any for it's for a reason. TMM, TMM. Too much money, bro. So you copy this, bro. You copy this. Then you go to the schoolserver.com. So go to it now. So add your answer here. You log in, obviously, put in your password. No, add in your answer. Then they'll pay you this money. I don't want to log in. I don't want to make the video too long and boring. I'll just give you the basics. Go to schoolserver.com. If you have any doubts, you just say how to use school server on YouTube. There are many tutorials you see. So bro, but if you don't like this strategy, you want to make more money, more times 10 of this money, go to link in my description. I will help you out. As for me, I'm out.